Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dreamy video effect on CapCut PC. So wrong video. Copy and paste your videos, go to effects and search for the blur effect. I already have mine here, and just place it on the second video. Put the blur up to around 80%. And then you're going to select the video again. You're then going to select blend mode, and then you are going to select screen, and you're going to adjust the opacity a little bit. Maybe like on the first video, go to adjustments and make the brightness darker a little bit so that it's not too bright, but you still have that kind of dreamy effect. You can also add in more like adjustments to the video on top, maybe like make it more to like the pink hue or like the blue hue. It's totally up to you. That rhymed. And yeah, that is pretty much it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!